This 5-minute solution will show you how to disable Steam auto updates. If your Steam game's automatically updating, in this case, you will face your computer slowing down issue. To disable Steam auto update, here are total 2 methods you can follow. The first method is click on Steam menu, click on settings, click on downloads, and here you will get schedule auto updates option. Enable this and restrict updates to between. You have to select here the time you want your Steam auto update. And the second method is, if you want to disable a specific game auto update, then go to library and right click on the game, go to properties, click on updates and click on automatic updates drop down, and here you can select only update this game when I launch it. And after selecting this, whenever you open the game will be automatically update and play. So this is how we can disable auto updates on Steam. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.